Hi, this is 416 Dentistry here, and today we are talking about the I-O. I what? I who? I-O. Now this is the future of oral health technology. Yes, we are talking about the brand new, state-of-the-art electric toothbrush from Oralb. I've been seeing commercials popping up all over the TV.
Say hello to Oralb I-O.
These ads look like a premium product from Tesla or even Apple. So as a Crest and Oralb Canadian ambassador, I asked my good friends there if I could kindly do an unboxing of the new I-O toothbrush to show all of you what you get inside when you invest in this technology for your oral health. The new I-O toothbrush just launched in the summer of 2020, and it is the new flagship line from Oralb. Due to the new technology and all the loaded features of this new brush, it does come with an MSRP that reflects that. In Canada, the brush is sold for around $300 to $400. However, with a simple search online, I was able to find cheaper alternatives available. I have had the privilege to be one of the first dentists in Canada to try out the new toothbrush, and I took part in the KOL I-O virtual event back in the beginning of June. This is my personal white Ambassdor I-O Series 9 brush that I've been using for the last couple of months now, and I can say that I love it. I'll be sharing with you an in-depth review in the next video because today we'll be focusing on unboxing this I-O Series 9 Black Onyx Edition. As you can see, the brush comes in a box with graphics on all sides. The front of the box lists all the features of the brush indicated by these icons. And on the back of the box, you'll find a detailed description of all these features. The Series 9 isn't playing around. It is loaded with all these features. You get 3D tracking, artificial intelligence, the smart pressure sensor, an interactive color OLED screen, 2-minute timer, and a magnetic charger. Last but not least, you get 7 smart brushing modes with the Series 9 toothbrush. On the side of the box, you find what's inside, and on the opposite side, you get this slide out where you get to find all the goodies inside. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you slide open the box, you are greeted by this beautiful package. The graphic showcases elements of the brush, and the signature OLED face emoji welcome you with a warm hello. On the back of the card, you find instructions on how to start your brush for the first time and how to connect your toothbrush via Bluetooth to the Oralb app. Once you move the card off to the side, in the center of the box, you see the technologically advanced brush suspended in midair. I love my technology, especially when it is aesthetically appealing and designed with the end user in mind. It is obvious that Oralb wanted to redefine the brushing experience, and when you look at the brush for the first time, you can't help but be impressed by the styling and German engineering. Under the handle, you find the remaining accessories that include the magnetic charger, charging travel case, power adapter, and 4 brush heads. So as you can see, the Oralb I-O has been redesigned both inside and out. To my surprise, the feature that I am most excited about is not even listed, and it's actually the guts of this brush. Instead of gears, the motor of the new I-O uses a linear magnetic drive system that has improved performance. It is a frictionless system, so there is no loss of energy when the power is transferred from the handle of the brush to the bristles. This is a game changer since it allows for a longer battery life, it is quieter and gentle in your hands. Furthermore, on top of the Oralb's scientifically proven oscillating rotating technology, this magnetic technology creates a new microvibration that provides a great clean.
New Oralb I-O technology takes the oscillation rotations from Oralb's iconic round brush head and combines them with the gentle energy of microvibrations for an enjoyable experience and a sensational clean.
There are just way too many incredible features to go over, and we'll be saving that for the next video. But I hope this helps if you're wondering what you get inside the box when you invest in this amazing technology for your health. Comment below on your favorite color of the new I-O brush that you're going to be getting. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.